Hi, my name is Peter Mathier and I'm standing here at ABIT 2022 in Lindlar. Langerg is one of the biggest wholesaler for presentation technology in Europe. We are founded in 1978 and in the end we are now more than 200 people working here for Langerg. We really focus on high professional equipment and on service on our customer. So we really want to be on site to have the perfect results for our customers. I really want to talk a little bit about the relationship between Langerg and Epson. It all starts several years ago already with a new technology coming to the projector market. And that was the technology change from lamp-based projector to SSI, solid-state illumination projectors with laser projectors. And that really brings a big benefits for the technology itself. And Epson did quite a good work because they realized that very early. And now I'm very proud to talk about the worldwide launch of a new projector platform from Epson, the 2200 series. And we already invested in a big amount of those projectors. And the projector, it stands for itself. So we are talking about a very small projector. It's the same size like with the 1000 series, but with up to 20,000 lumens, and that is really special. It's a complete new design projector with a lot of benefits, technical benefits inside. The most important thing is, of course, the chassis of the projector is so small. The weight is very less. Also regarding noise level, it's a new standard. And that brings a lot of benefits for different markets. For rental, for the event business, of course, but especially for installations like in museums, where noise level is a really big topic. We are talking about the weight, it's less than 25 kilograms, so it's able to handle that projector just by one person. That is a really big benefit, especially for the event market. And of course, it's fully compatible to lenses from the 1000 series, which are already several years in the market. And we are really looking forward to make business with this new platform. For us, it's a game changer.